Nagyayaya silang mag-coffee. Welcome back, Adelaide. This is it.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Wow.
Are they just sitting in the car?
No, they're already inside.
Ah, this is this spot. This is on the other side of the caravan park.
Oh, kasi bakit dito ang daan, diba?
Because this is it here. We used to walk here.
Oh. Pero nasa dulo kasi.
Your destination is on the right.
Welcome home, Adelaide! We are finally here sa Adelaide, Australia, guys. This is our first morning. And look! Dito kami sa beachfront. Imi-meet namin ang aming dear friend na si Ebony at Alvi. Nagyayaya silang mag-coffee. Welcome back, Adelaide! This is it! Tapos na yung breakfast namin with Ebony and Alvi. Ayun, sobrang sweet nila kasi si Alvi nag-time off pa siya sa work saglit para lang makasama kami this morning. First coffee of the day, first morning in Adelaide. So ngayon papunta na kami sa court, naghahanap kami ng court. Makapalo man lang, mga adik talaga. Makapalo lang. Kung meron, kung wala, uuwi na kami kasi we need to go to the city. Papasyal namin si Len, tapos imimit namin saglit si Jaja kasi ano niya ngayon, hindi niya off. Katatas lang ng first work niya, tapos hapon pa siya ulit. Hahabulin namin hanggang 4 o'clock siya. Pwede daw. 4 o'clock yung next niya na work. Ano pa lang, 12. So, makita siguro siya mga 1 or 2. Pero uwi muna kami, mag-get ready kami quickly. Tapos baka mag-grab na lang kami if ever magpo-push through. Yung lakad namin, papunta sa bar. Imimit namin si JR. Gigimik muna kami tonight. Tapos tomorrow na namin gagawin yung mga pinunta talaga namin dito. Meron talaga kaming reason kung bakit din kami nagpunta dito. Marami kaming aayusin at bukas na namin yung gagawin. But before that, enjoy muna natin yung first day natin. So sana makakita kami ng pickleball court dito along the beach. I think meron na yun. May nakita talaga ako. Palo lang kami ng ilan. Ikaw, babe, single ka lang, kami nilan yung double. Para ano?
Pro tayo, bro.
Oo, pro na kasi si Andy. Oh, ito na yung Brighton. Ito lang yung parang ano.
Ay, ang ganda.
Sobra. Kasi malamig, hindi ka pwede pumunta dun sa dulo. Sobrang hangin. Sa jetty, ito guys.
This is the
Ito,
other park.
yan yung
We take the
jetty
kids,
doon.
This one.
Tapos ito yung park.
Beach park.
Ayan, ganda oh. Maraming park dito.
Walang ganda park dito.
All the restaurants are here along this main street.
chips. Ito na, yan o. Marami naglalakad dyan sa hapon, Len. Sa jetty. Kaso lang malamig kasi.
Pero parang okay naman kasi 16 degrees. It's a little bit sunny.
Parang Japan.
Ang ganda. Oh, I miss it.
Ganda.
We usually just park here. We walk.
Walk lang kami.
With Mimi, remember when we used to walk her in
Stroller.
the stroller?
Kasi magaganda park dito eh.
Tapos labas lang siya ng labas.
I wonder if they built that big house
Pag
already.
summer, siguro ang daming tao dyan.
Especially after school. During school, not so much, but after school, ang dami.
Medyo malayo ba ito dun sa bahay niyo?
Malapit yung bahay. Ito na yung bahay.
Ah, malapit lang. So,
na.
pwede palang lakarin.
Oo, yung beach pwede lakarin.
Brighton Road kasi yun.
Fixing that
May
up.
McDonald's kanina.
Changing the front.
Doon. Tapos, diretso na dito sa...
Pero
No,
yung
that's that
street...
house, but
Oo.
Laki.
Ito gawa na. Dati ginagawa lang yan eh. Umalis kami.
May pool sa likod.
Yung street namin, Len, pag diretso mo lang yun dun sa school, tapos ato na, beach. Guys, pwede mag-pickleball. Halika na.
It might not be the standard size, although I think it already has the painted lines for pickleball. Yeah, and so they converted it. This is where me and King used to play basketball. Yeah, and so in our favorite area of Hove, if you guys are into pickleball, this is where it's at. Yeah, so they did paint the lines. So this is actually a mini tennis court, but now they've painted it.
Kalaban tayo. Tapos solo ka lang kami ni Len Campe. Nandito naman kami ngayon sa city. Papasyal namin yung kapatid ko. Maglalakad-lakad kami dito. At inimit namin ngayon si Jaja. Dahil ano niya na nga, parang break time niya ba. Ayan. Kami. Ayan. Maglalakad-lakad kami. Papasyal namin si Len dito. Para ma-experience nila. Tapos isa-stop na ko na.
guys, so we're here at Sky City. Sorry, it's a bit windy. It's a little bit windy, but yeah, we're just taking Len around for a tour of the city. It's a little bit cooler today. It's probably about 15 degrees, but a may slight breeze. So we're just walking around taking some pictures before we head out to, where are we going? Asa River.
Riverbanks.
We'll check out the riverbanks. Dito yung football. So you've seen this before because we've been here plenty of times. Guys, we are heading to Curry Street. We're gonna go have happy hour where Jaja works. So it's gonna be the first time that we see Jaja in her element. And actually this is the street where we used to eat, you know, Japanese. And then I think this is where we had a date night before, di ba, babe? Ito. Diba? Yung Fugazi, I think is a steak place. Ah, no, hindi. We had a date on the other street. Yeah, but we're just taking Len around. Siyempre naman, we've been to all of these places before. But we want to take her out. Yeah, we did a lot of TikToks, so you're going to see them all come out. Oh, that place looks cool. Ayan. Ang daming bago ah. But
Daming tao dyan.
I heard about it. Di ba steak place? Hindi ba?
Parang Italia.
Ah, okay. Ayun, gusto ko yan. But anyway, we're gonna go have a drink. Let's go.
I've never been to this part of town. Everyone is dressed up here, but looks so down. Lost in a room where my shadow drowns. So glad.
Hi guys, papunta na kami ngayon sa Good Gilbert kasi i-meet namin si Get Ow! Tsaka yung friend namin na nagluluto sa amin before, si JR yung chef.
You saw him in all the vlogs, diba?
Oo, kasi syempre i-meet namin lahat ng kaya naming i-meet habang nandito kami. Tapos na kami doon sa Lady Barra kung saan nag-work si Jaja. Nag-happy hour kami doon. Tapos dito din sa Good Gilbert pala, i-meet na namin sila King. Si King kasi after school, nag-gym pa siya. Kaya sabay na sila ni Sammy at ni Tita papunta doon. So ayan, nandito pa rin kami sa city. Sabi kasi ni Ima, ang chismis niya, masarap daw yung pagkain doon. So buti na lang na-invite kami dito.
Maganda yung ilaw kasi may konting orange.
Sobrang lamig na.
So far, Len, day 1.
Okay naman, saya.
Ayaw niya na nga umuwi eh. Nagpaplano
Pwede ba
na siya.
yun, boss? Hindi na ako umuwi.
Nanonood ba yung boss mo? Yung vlog
Oo,
namin? Oh my
lagi
God.
nanonood ng vlog.
Boss naman eh. Char. Medyo tipsy na ako ah.
Lakas nung ano eh, no?
Lakas yung tama.
Oo, yung margarita nga.
Yung first drink ko, tatlong shots.
So,
Na kasi when me and Jaja go out, tatlong shots lagi.